What's up, yo? It's Wyf CaityB back in the building with another video, and I'm here with Mama B. And today's date and time is Wednesday, the 4th of September, 9:56. So this is our 5th day here. So we just got a feed from Windmill Bakery. Yeah, as I was really interrupted by this camera just turning off. We're gonna be doing a mukbang. We're just looking for a park to sit at, and we'll get ready to eat all this goodness. Oh my gosh. So we'd already tried Windmill Bakery like a while back, like yeah, a few years back. I was already in love with their mud cake. I know a lot of people use their mud cake for birthdays and stuff like that. But my favorite pie that I ever tasted was their mince and cheese pie. It was my favorite, like out of any bakery I've eaten it. And I know that Savvy G ×2 on Instagram was recommending it to us. So we sure did do that. We sure did. Especially because it was sort of nearby on our way to where we were heading. So yeah, guess we'll see you guys at the park eating our lungs out. Guys, we're just gonna head to Sturgis Park to have a feed. Oh, thanks, Mom. Thank you very much. Not bad, good size.
Oh, it's inside is dude.
Yeah. This looks new. Yeah, I'm sure. I think so. Oh wow. I don't know.
Bullshit. Give way. You're not giving away Gary now.
You see a missile truck on? Never mind. So just where all the fights used to happen.
Oh, you're wicked.
Oh.
Go that way.
Yep. And that's where all the fights used to happen. Oh my gosh. I used to always want to come and watch it, but I know I'd have to make it home at a certain time. And by the time they'll start the fight, it's the time that I have to be at home, and I'm like, yes, let's play. I'll be like, hurry up and have to fight. I'll be like, hurry up and have to fight. You're gonna go home. Damn it, man. Yeah, just for my safety and stuff too. I'm glad I wasn't really like there'll be sometimes I'll just come and have a quick watch and then, oh man, you guys take quick. Look at those guys. What are those guys doing down there? Can't see.
We
We love car mukbangs, don't we, guys? It sort of reminds me of Jello Guy for a bit. We're not copying you, Jello Guy. We're just holding out now, too. So yeah, we got like a whole bunch of stuff here. We got like kebabs, we got pizza bread.
We'll show you as we go.
Yeah. Okay. Is it different?
It's
Oh, there's a dog. I hope it doesn't jump through the window. Yeah, I'm gonna have a kebab first. So we got 4 of these bags.
So you used to call it kebab, but it's chicken skewers.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep calling it
These
kebab.
are yum.
Best thing.
We call kebabs over in Australia kebab, and then I got told by one of the cousins, kebab, kebab, and I go, oh, kebab.
Not as good.
Let's get our face out of it. Damn.
This is so good.
So as you probably could guess, we're not just trying any willy-nilly place for mukbangs. We're stepping back in time. So our memories, we're just going to the places that stay.
Talking about stepping back in time.
Stay in our heads.
Still going to have every day at school. Primary. You too, guys. Orange flavor used to be my favorite. I wasn't really a fan of black crab. And then this one came out, I think. I was like, oh, I found my new favorite. Okay, I'm having another kebab.
I'm not a big fan of Coke, but
well, she loves her cake, man.
okay, all
I reckon they got the best pizza breads, man. I'll show you guys. Oh, it's just like moist. Not bad, good size.
So this place, once it opened and word got out about their food, their pizza bread, mud cake, started booming in Windmills.
Behind Southern Cross campus, guys. And Mangere.
I've got bacon in here.
I mean, it's like you simple. Pizza bread. The sun is pretty bright, guys. Pizza bread.
It's supposed to rain every day, but it's just like Melbourne weather.
Ask them to warm it up for you guys. The bread, so I don't know what you call it. It's really nice.
My mouth's just like, it's just like the pastry. I swear I love this. Another place we were told to go was Canon Bakery. I'd love to go out there, but it's a bit out of our way.
Yeah. So thank you for the for the suggestion. I think it was it TX Mupo that recommended it?
Sorry, I don't like egg yolks. I eat the whites, but not the egg yolk.
What a waste, though.
Eat it then.
I eat it by my food.
I tell you, the singers here in Auckland, they're boko. They know what people like. They know island taste buds. Island and Māori, Pacific Island. They know what sells, and they cater to that, what sells. That's why their businesses thrive. It's like hardly competition. Melbourne, we've got to drive far to get donuts, drive far to get pie.
So
here,
if you're going to open a pie store up, you may as well just shut your business down again, because unless you can top a lot of the Shanghai Asian bakeries here. Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
it's so good.
Oh, pork rib sandwiches, guys. Come on. Why didn't they have this over there? Sorry, guys. Got some massive onions in there.
This cheese, I know you're probably looking wrong. Oh, they're shoving everything in front of the camera. Oh man, this pizza bread.
This freaking pork rib sandwich.
If you guys have never been to Auckland, come over. Doesn't matter where you stay, if you stay in a B&B or cheap motel, doesn't matter.
Food is cheap as well, like.
But don't go to fancy restaurants. Try the local bakeries, local more shopping centres. Try the food. You're bound to find something you really like, whichever suburb you go to.
Oh, it's got egg in it.
Oh, I can eat this all day. My gosh. When we get back, we got to go to the gym.
Oh, yeah.
We joined the gym about over a month ago. Only been once.
That was the first day, and then after that. But we're donating, guys. It's alright, we're donating. I'm not going. It's alright.
Again.
Fifth time now.
Oh.
It's like tradition, eh?
You know what's so nice? Seeing pit bulls again.
Those are gorgeous, man.
Pitties
He's probably
so
putting
nice.
that one on the leash, but not that one, unless that one's a stray dog.
They're dangerous, but
They're gorgeous,
so
man.
beautiful.
Oh, guys, I love pitties.
My brother had a dog, a pit bull crossbreed Labrador.
His name was Tamu.
He was Damu. He was just an obedient dog. And we used to take the dog out with a muzzle.
Oh, man. You guys have to see the dog, man. You guys have to see the dog.
got me missing.
He smells the food. You hungry, cuz?
Some prick told RSPCA that our dog was running around with no muzzle on. This was the law, you had to put the muzzle on. Have him always on the chain. So the RSPCA came over, I was at work, my brother's at work, and then my dad and her were at home.
I was at school.
I was at school. They came over, tried to get Damu, but Damu wouldn't give them time of day. And my dad was calling, trying to calm Damu down. Nah, wouldn't give Dad time of day. As soon as this one come home, she just calls out Damu. My dad tried to trick her into getting Damu into the RSPCA thing. And then Damu just followed her, went in the truck, and that was it.
I swear I came home and there was no notice. And then there was a notice and I was like, where's Damu? I can't really remember.
Oh, that's what Dad said.
Probably is, but...
She was young then.
Yeah.
You know.
All I
And then it
remember
cost too much to get him out. It's all your fault. He was such a good dog.
All I remember is him barking and stuff. Like these guys would tell me that he wouldn't bite me and stuff, and all I remember was him barking at me, coming after me.
Playing. We wouldn't let her near him by herself. Just in case.
He used to always break free from his chain. It was a actual chain, guys. How does
That's when he
dog...
got big. Man, he got big. Cross Labrador pitties, man, they're grown. When you take them for a walk,
oh man, it's like
you're not taking them for a walk, they're taking you for a run.
Which would be good now because we wouldn't need a gym, but for mum here.
Okay. I'm gonna tease Tanania family since they love donuts. Oh, shut up.
That looks like I'm Biggie Clary, guys.
Oh.
Say no more, cuz.
Fresh
Say
cream.
no more.
Sorry, Duo and Bees.
Charlie.
Can I just be evil this once?
Yeah, I'm gonna skip this before I get full. Eat something else.
They're cream, man.
Now talk about this steak and cheese pie. It's so soft, like
I finished my
it's
life.
the melt in your mouth type of thing. Melt in the mouth, and natty. Good melt in there.
I'm definitely getting gym when you get back. This is evil, man.
Pastry nice and soft. But I prefer pies with pastries that are more soft, not hard. Oh wait, let me take a bit of that.
So good to be back home.
A fat steak in my mouth. Windmills, you can't go wrong with windmills, guys.
There's something there for everyone. I don't know if they do vegan, but they got sandwiches there.
Yeah.
No.
If you're vegan, get out. Get out. You have to not be vegan for at least a day. Please, guys, to try these stuff.
Can't do that.
Even if you bomb the toilet like there's no tomorrow, I'll tell you, you'll probably go from vegan to living your life. What are you up to, cuz?
We better go before he jumps out with a gun.
Yeah.
Oh, some dodgy looking people out here.
Looks like they were gonna kill us for a second. I'm getting full, guys. I've been so content.
I'm done.
I'm actually done too.
My stomach's almost resting on the steering wheel.
A cream donut left, a pie. Mum's sandwich thing.
They're all yours.
Donut, and she's still got a kebab. But so guys, we're back again. So yeah, we're just gonna go get some Manuia and probably check out Red or something like that. Whew. Oh my gosh. So me and my friends used to hold out. Boy. Oh, it's open now. That little section there. Once you guys see it, hold on. The little section where the Saheli thing is. If you go down there and go to the actual store, they do eyebrows and stuff like that. They are really good. They do my auntie's eyebrows. They do it properly. No. Because over there in the Oz, it's like they don't know how to do eyebrows properly. I'll trust that place because, you know, auntie's been there a long time. I've seen the results many times. So make sure you do your eyebrows there one day. It's an Indian store. So guys, we're gonna go check out the other Stunnas here in Otahuhu. Probably be no difference, but we just want to check it out anyways. Have a gaze. Come check it out. Quick look in Stunna. Check out Red.
What's on from here? Here it is.
I'm trying to look for Wahoo.
It's the one they made in America's Vietnam. Nope.
And they're these big corned beef cans. I used to love these, man. And they have little like sweet nuggets inside. Not actual nuggets, but like lolly nuggets. Hello pandas. Hey guys, so we just got Mum's glasses. We just came out of the store, got Mum's glasses. So there's a couple arguing in there and we're just like, oh my gosh.
The glasses, the main reason why I get glasses is to hold my hair down.
Yeah. So yep, that happened. Nothing new in South Auckland. Bound to be an argument around here.
But I was getting angry at them.
Yeah, I was just like, we gotta go, bro. We don't have time to stand here and listen to y'all. Hey guys, we just got a park. We're just gonna be heading to get some. Oh sorry, hold on. It's like 0 puppy. I'm gonna be heading to get some ice cream. Sorry guys. Oh, that's better. The time is 7:47. 7:47. 4th September, Wednesday. So it's the same day, same thing, different day, whatever. So we're just gonna ticket. I'm gonna get some ice cream and Starbucks. Ooh, we fancy or whatever. And again, oh, what? Oh, 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 she bad, she bad. Starbucks.
A venti latte.
Take for me.
Yeah.
Anything else, Mom?
Can I have a caramel frappe with coffee and cream, venti? Yes.
Anything else?
Can I just grab an Earl Grey? Just a black Earl Grey.
Okay, what size?
Burgerfuel time! You got my Starbucks.
Common fries. What's Mangere bites? Pumpkin, carrot, chickpea, and ginger bites.
Thank you.
Chicken fingers. Oh, there it is. Okay, some chicken fingers, please.
I'll get the bastard, please.
The bastard.
We got the bastard. Tomato chips, amazing. I'm gonna try the chicken tender, guys.
Fenders.
Oh, fenders. It's pretty bad. It comes with sauces too. Not bad. Pretty tender. We have some. Should be illegal. Wow.
You know you can use the
Tomato chips, guys.
use this and put it in the pie.
It's different texture, I'm not used to it.